Alright, we're back. Didn't want to bore you with doing the same thing with smudging some gold onto this. I did the dab with some metallic gold also. And it really didn't pop until I added some clear. This is my first round of clear coat putting on it. And what I used is just the good old-fashioned Pledge floor care. Mixed it with a little bit of windshield wiper fluid and just a touch of, it's like a black gold paint. Also, I put just a touch in there just to give a hint to the clear coat, because I didn't want the color covering it. But in the sunlight, that's supposed to be a color shift of black and gold. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but we'll see. So far, the first round of clear brought the blues and the gold out. Gave it kind of that funky, psychedelic look that I was kind of going for. It's different and odd and fun. Nonetheless, just fun. It's all about experimenting. Even though I'm using acrylic paints, I'm still using a respirator. My trusty spray box inside with a fan just sucking all the fumes out the window. They're not too bad. That's one thing nice about acrylics. I hate painting with acrylics, so they totally are really hard for me to get a good mix on them and everything. But so far, so good. I'm happy with this. I'm going to put another coat of clear on it, and here, hopefully, by this week, and I can wrap this model up. I haven't built one yet this year. That's February 15th. 6 weeks into the year, and I have not finished the model yet. Been cutting and chopping and sanding, and I've had a lot going on in life recently, so might be the reason. But I need a feeling of accomplishment here coming up. Truthfully, the camera doesn't do it justice how good it actually looks in 1:1. So some of you guys I know hopefully will get to see this car 1:1 eventually, and I make it up to some meetings and possibly up to the car show at St. Agnes, bring it along. So I'm not trying to win any model shows with it. Kind of getting in now, just experimenting with some different things. Worst case scenario, I'll throw it in the box as unfinished if I get to something, and there's always somebody out there online who buys my projects and they have a good time, and maybe they finish up something I won't finish. It's happened a few times. Actually, it happens a lot. And seen some of the work. Looks good when they get done with it. Alright, we'll be getting back with you on this project a little farther down the road. Peace.